Our company is Khoemacau Copper Mining. We're a 100% privately owned company in the northwest district of Botswana. We're a copper and silver mining company that are currently designed to produce on our starter project in excess of 60,000 tonnes of copper metal per annum and 2 million ounces of silver metal per annum. The production at Khoemacau Copper Mining all starts with exploration. We've got over 4,000 kilometres of highly sought after property within the central Kalahari Copper Belt. We have started with exploration, which then leads into mining. We now have 3 mining corridors at our Zone 5 operations. We use highly mechanised mining techniques to produce in excess of 3.65 million tonnes per annum of copper and silver ore. That copper, silver and ore is then transported approximately 35 kilometres from the Zone 5 mining operations to our Botswana processing facility. At the Botswana processing facility, we produce approximately 155,000 tonnes of copper silver concentrate annually that is in excess of 40% copper and 400 grams per tonne silver concentrate that is then bagged and shipped to the world markets ready for refining into the copper and silver metal as we all know it. As we know, copper and silver is used for many purposes. If we look at the sign behind me here, it's actually used as part of the signage. We also use it in electric cars, motors, cables, copper piping that we have in our homes. And these days, even in surgical rooms, they're using copper because of its high sterile properties. So copper is used universally. It's a very clean product, very renewable product as well. That's the uses of copper and where it can be found in society as we know it today. Botswana is a country that had previously been relying heavily on the diamonds as its primary source of income. Well, now we've introduced copper to the mix and silver to the mix for Botswana and for the world. There is certainly reduction in production around the world for copper and silver, and we're starting to fill that gap.